Hi friends, welcome back in channel SciTech. In this, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the ROG Phone 3 versus Realme X1 Max device. So during this time, I'll try to use the X mode in the ROG Phone 3 and I'll try to use the high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max device. So using this kind of extreme levels performance modes, let's see which phone will be able to open these applications and games faster. So this is going to be really very interesting. So yesterday I did upload the video, but a lot of people they did ask me, can you please use the high performance mode and can you please compare? That's the reason I thought of comparing in this video. And first let me try to do the basic restart reboot test in both phones. And ROG Phone 3 has got the Snapdragon 865 plus chipset and the Realme X1 Max has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset, and both are completely 8GB RAM variants, but I did enable the external RAM capabilities in this device. So in case if you want to know, you can have that kind of information. Right now the first phone to reboot is ROG Phone 3, which will be able to restart faster. Loading. And it's done, and let's go to the Wi-Fi connectivity and show you the Wi-Fi. ROG Phone 3 is very fast, friends, very fast. In the reboot test and in everything, it feels really smooth. Even though the phone released last year, but still it was quite powerful even this time. Let's go to the Wi-Fi and check whether it's connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network or not. Yes, both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network. And next thing is to check the battery and go to the high performance mode and turn on the high performance mode. High performance mode is turned on in this device, and all the apps should be completely clean from the background process manager, which I'm trying to clean. So all the apps are completely clean as well. Now everything is completely clean. Now I need to turn on the X mode. So X mode is completely on right now. You can clearly see X mode is on and the performance booster is also on, high performance mode. So both modes are ready with the extreme level performance boosters. And now let's start with the first application, which is the Google Chrome. So Google Chrome, not bad, and Amazon application, let's see. It's not bad. So both are kind of similar in terms of loading the Amazon application. And it's a OnePlus 9R. I'm trying to keep this in the background RAM management only. I'm not going to buy the OnePlus 9R. No way. And let's check some mobiles here. Let's check maybe some kind of mobile. I'm trying to open random mobile phone in the background. And next is the touch sampling rate application. I'm trying to draw some lines. And I'm trying to keep these lines in the background RAM management. So Play Store, same applications. Whatever I selected yesterday, same applications I'm trying to select today as well. So we should know using high performance mode and using the X mode how much difference it's gonna make. That's the reason I thought of making a video. And right now the gaming begins. All these games I've added into the game space and I've added into the Game Genie as well in the ROG Phone 3. Let's start with the Asphalt 9 game 1, 2, 3. So Asphalt game slightly kind of open faster in the ROG Phone 3. You can see that animation delay sometimes it will happen. And this phone is the MI11 device with the Snapdragon 888 processor. So I'm getting plenty of comments on this phone. So what is the side phone which you use? That's the reason I thought of letting you know. And the first phone to boot up is the ROG Phone 3. Did open the game faster than the Realme X1 Max. Next, Battlegrounds mobile game. Let's see this Battlegrounds mobile game. Which phone gonna do the first? So ROG Phone 3 did open the game faster than the Realme X1 Max device. As you can see, friends, still this is a test using the X mode. So using X mode, we got to know the difference how it is. Next, Call of Duty game. Let's see this Call of Duty game, and both are loading. Not bad. So don't underestimate this Snapdragon 865 plus, friends. Even though the phone got released last year, but it was able to dominate the Snapdragon 870 phones as well sometimes. So first phone to open is the ROG Phone 3. You can clearly see the difference, how it is between this phone and this phone. Next is Temple Run. So other two games are really small games. It should not be that difficult anyways, but you will be able to see the difference. Not bad. At same pace, both phones. And final game is the Subway Surf game. Let's see what happens in the Subway Surf game. Subway Surf game, I think both phones did open at the same time. Not bad. So friends, 5 applications and 5 games are completely open in the background RAM management. Finally, it's time to check one by one. Let's come from the back side. And Call of Duty is there. Not bad. This time Call of Duty is there, as you can see, using the X mode. And next is a Battlegrounds mobile game, and yep, Battlegrounds mobile game 1, 2, and 3. Battlegrounds mobile game got closed. Maybe because of this X mode. As you can see, this will clear all the background activities. That's the reason the Battlegrounds mobile game got closed. And the Real Mix and Max, still the Battlegrounds mobile game was there in the background as a RAM management. You can clearly see the difference. And next is Asphalt 9 game. 1, 2, and 3. Boom. Real Mix and Max did keep the Asphalt 9 game in the background RAM management. Not bad. So 2 games were there extra in the Real Mix and Max. Let's see the Play Store. Play Store, it's not an issue. And touch sampling rate, both phones didn't keep this application lines in the background. Flipkart, first phone to open is the ROG Phone 3. You can see that instant reaction will be there. Very fast reaction. So both phones did good. I think this phone went to the home page, but this Realme X and Max at least stayed in the second page. I mean in the OnePlus 9R page. Some difference is there. And the Chrome, it opened fast. So this is a quick speed test and the RAM management test comparison between both phones. So one thing is pretty clear, that the RAM management in this phone is extremely aggressive, that it tries to clear the games in the background. So only I think you'll be able to open maybe four games I think at same time in this phone. I'll let you make another video as well using Genshin Impact game. So in that way we'll be able to understand what is happening with the RAM management. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And it is a video who are actually waiting for this kind of X mode and the high performance mode comparison, but speed test is 3 games faster in the ROG Phone 3. 3 games. Battlegrounds Mobile, Asphalt 9, Call of Duty was faster in the ROG Phone 3. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.